Welcome, travel enthusiasts and explorers. Today, we take you on a spectacular journey through the breathtaking scenery of Armenia. Nestled between the Black and Caspian Seas, this small yet vibrant country is a treasure trove of natural beauty and rich history. Armenia's landscapes are as diverse as they are stunning. From the snow-capped peaks of Mount Ararat to the lush valleys embroidered with vineyards and orchards, every corner of this nation is a celebration of nature's grandeur. Armenia is a landlocked country in the South Caucasus region of Eurasia, bordered by Georgia to the north, Azerbaijan to the east, Iran to the south, and Turkey to the west. This geographical location gifts Armenia with a unique blend of climates and ecosystems, each boasting its own unique charm and character. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a visual feast as we begin our journey in the heart of Armenia. Pack your virtual bags as we dive into the first scenic location, the capital city of Armenia, Yerevan. Welcome to Yerevan, the vibrant and charming capital of Armenia. A city that wears its heart on its sleeve, Yerevan is a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Armenian people. Known as the Pink City, Yerevan's unique charm lies in its architecture, a harmonious blend of old and new, built primarily with a pinkish volcanic rock known as tuff. This unique building material lends the city its distinctive rosy hue, giving it the moniker, the Pink City. At the heart of Yerevan is Republic Square, a majestic testament to Armenian architecture. Surrounded by 5 major buildings, each more impressive than the last, the square is a symphony of pink stone, dancing fountains, and friendly locals. It's not just a square, it's the pulsating heart of Yerevan, where history, culture, and modernity converge. But the city doesn't just enchant you with its architectural marvels. Venture to the Cascade Complex, and you'll be presented with a breathtaking view of Yerevan and beyond. This colossal stairway made of limestone is not just a popular gathering spot, but also a vantage point that offers panoramic views of the city against the majestic backdrop of Mount Ararat. Yerevan is a city that invites you to explore its streets, immerse in its culture, and fall in love with its charm. It's a city that proudly wears its pink, tough heart on its sleeve, welcoming all who wish to uncover its secrets. From the bustling city, we now move to the serenity of Lake Sevan. Behold Lake Sevan, one of the largest high-altitude lakes in the world. Nestled in the heart of Armenia, this azure gem sits over 6,000 feet above sea level, its placid waters stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a sight that makes you pause, breathe, and appreciate the grandeur of nature. The lake's beauty is not just in its size or altitude but in its ever-changing moods. Sometimes it's a serene expanse of blue, mirroring the sky and cradled by snow-capped mountains. At other times it's a lively playground for the wind, its surface dancing with ripples and waves. Jutting out from a rocky peninsula on the northwestern shore, the Yerevan Monastery adds a touch of historical intrigue to the lake's natural allure. Constructed in the 9th century, this sacred site has stood the test of time, its ancient stones whispering tales of monks, pilgrimages, and centuries-old traditions. From the monastery, one can enjoy a panoramic view of the lake, a vista that has inspired awe and devotion for over 1,000 years. But Lake Sevan is not just a feast for the eyes. It's a haven for diverse flora and fauna. It's home to over 200 species of birds, including the endangered Armenian gull, which finds sanctuary in the lake's secluded corners. Beneath the water's surface, the endemic Sevan trout thrives, its existence a testament to the lake's delicate ecological balance. Around the lake, the land bursts with life, from the wildflowers that dot the shoreline in spring to the dense forests that paint the surrounding hills a lush green. It's a living landscape, constantly evolving and always ready to surprise. Lake Sevan is more than a lake. It's a symbol of Armenian resilience and a testament to nature's enduring beauty. It's a place where history, nature, and culture intertwine, creating a tapestry of experiences that mesmerize and inspire. Leaving the tranquility of the lake, we now head to the rugged beauty of Tatev Monastery. Get ready for a dramatic landscape shift as we visit the Tatev Monastery. Nestled in the southeastern corner of Armenia, this monastic marvel has stood tall and proud for over a millennium, bearing witness to the many chapters of Armenian history. The monastery was built in the 9th century, and has since served as a significant cultural, educational, and spiritual center. It was here that scholars penned manuscripts, artists created masterpieces, and philosophers pondered life's mysteries, making the Tatev Monastery a beacon of Armenian intellect and creativity. The monastery's location is as unique as its history. It sits atop a massive basalt plateau commanding a panoramic view of the Voratan River Gorge. This strategic location not only offered protection in turbulent times, but also provided the monks with a serene and secluded environment for prayer and contemplation. But what makes the Tatev Monastery even more special is the journey to get there. The Wings of Tatev, the world's longest non-stop double-track cable car, carries visitors across the deep gorge, offering breathtaking views of the verdant landscapes below. This engineering marvel, stretching nearly 3.5 miles, is more than just a means of transportation. It's an experience that heightens the anticipation of reaching the monastery, making the destination all the more rewarding. Once you reach the monastery, the timeless architecture, the intricate stone carvings, and the hushed whispers of history echoing through the ancient chambers captivate your senses. The monastery, despite bearing the marks of time, continues to exude an aura of tranquility and spiritual solace, connecting you with a past that's both inspiring and humbling. The Tatev Monastery is more than just a religious site, it's a testament to Armenia's rich history, resilience, and unyielding spirit. It's a place where the past and present converge, where human endeavor meets natural beauty, and where every stone tells a story. From the historic monastery, we now venture into the lush Dilijan National Park. Welcome to Dilijan National Park, often referred to as the Switzerland of Armenia. Imagine a place where the air is a symphony of nature's fragrances, where the landscape is a vibrant mosaic of green hues, and where serenity is the soundtrack of your day. This is Dilijan National Park, a gem tucked away in the Lesser Caucasus mountain range. The park is a panorama of verdant hills, dense forests, and clear streams, offering a refreshing retreat from the bustling city life. The park's lush landscapes are a testament to the richness of Armenian biodiversity. It is a home for a diverse range of wildlife, from wolves and brown bears to diverse species of birds, a paradise for nature enthusiasts. As you wander through the trails, you might just catch a glimpse of a roe deer peeking through the dense foliage, or hear the melodious calls of birds echoing through the valley. In the heart of this natural wonderland lies the charming old town of Dilijan. This town, often described as the Armenian Switzerland, is a harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern comfort. Its cobblestone streets are lined with traditional Armenian houses, their wooden balconies adorned with vibrant flowers. The town is a living museum, where each building narrates a tale from the past, and the locals are the storytellers, ever ready to share their stories with a warm smile. Dilijan's beautiful landscapes are not just a feast for the eyes but also a playground for the adventurous. Hiking, mountain biking, or simply picnicking amidst nature, the park offers a multitude of activities to indulge in. And when you need a break, the mineral water springs known for their therapeutic properties are the perfect place to relax and rejuvenate. Dilijan National Park is more than just a tourist destination. It's a sanctuary where nature and culture intertwine, where every path leads to a new discovery, and where the rhythm of life slows down to match the gentle sway of the trees. As we leave the lush forests, we conclude our Armenian journey. Our incredible journey through Armenia's best scenery has come to an end. And what an adventure it's been! We've journeyed through the streets of Yerevan, the pink city where modernity and tradition blend in a beautiful fusion. We've marveled at the stunning vistas of Lake Sevan, the Blue Pearl, whose waters shimmer with a brilliance that's hard to describe but impossible to forget. We've ventured to the heights of the Tatev Monastery, the monastic marvel, a place that transcends the earthly realm and transports us to a world of tranquility and spiritual peace. And finally, we've strolled through the lush greenery of Dilijan National Park, Armenia's Switzerland, a place where nature's bounty is on full display in a captivating array of flora and fauna. Our journey has given us just a glimpse of the awe-inspiring beauty that Armenia has to offer. Each location is a testament to the country's rich history, diverse culture, and breathtaking landscapes. But remember, there's so much more to explore, to see, to experience. The beauty of travel is that it's never really over. Each journey is just the beginning of another, each destination a stepping stone to the next. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Armenia. What part of the world would you like us to explore next? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel content.